Good evening. Drinking catnip and ladies mantle tea. It's my catnip that is just blooming in its full blooms. It's a nice smell. Cats love it. I love it too, and it's very good for your nerve system. So it's relaxing tea, and I just grabbed it because it's growing here in front of my kitchen. It's a nice smell, and I have ladies mantle in it because I like drinking ladies mantle here and there, especially when I need it. You know, once a month, or it's just excellent wild herb, or you can even you can cultivate it, or you can plant it, you can grow it for lady stuff, or for menopausal, or for many things. But this is the main issue. I am drinking it. So cheers. Nice aromatic. It's like lavender. So in this video I will show you a highly nutritious salad. Guess what it is? Very easy and very fast and very nutritious. That might help you fight inflammation, will help you to regulate your blood sugar, and there are lots of benefits. And you are probably guessing right. It's dandelion salad. Yes. So it's a dandelion leaf salad. Very simple. I have nothing else. I have just dandelion leaves. So it's a rabbit evening. Okay, I won't be joking now. So I gathered dandelion leaves in front of my house. They are clean, they are washed. I just washed them, that's all. I like using stems because they are bitter. They might have still milky sap in it. But those are pretty young, so there is no milky sap, not much. I'm not gonna play with it at all. What I'll do is I'll just chop it. Okay, I try to get small ones, like baby ones. So I will chop it, and I will make very fast and very nutritious salad. Yes, Linda, you want to tell me something? Mama is cutting dandelions. Look, dandelion. You want to take it? Huh? Say dandelion. You want to say hello to my friends? Say hello. Say hello, my friends. What? That's pomegranate. Little bit of pomegranate. Pomegranate. That was meant to go in my salad. And my dandelion salad will be mixed or blended. Will be mixed with melons. So it will be quite interesting. Okay, so you want to take my pomegranate? You can share. And this is yours. You can take your pomegranate. So I am chopping dandelion leaves. I will chop them very fast. And as I said already, dandelion leaves are highly nutritious, and they are potent antioxidants, and they may help to fight inflammation in your body. They can help you with your blood sugar control, and they can also reduce cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and they are definitely the best wild plant, or well, I can't call it herb, wild plant for liver. Very good liver. So you know, the whole plant is medicinal, and it's edible from its root through the stem and leaf, blossoms. The whole plant is edible and medicinal. And I love using leaves during the whole season. I am using roots in the springtime and flowers around April, May. But leaves are excellent salad supply. They're actually loaded with lots of vitamins and minerals. Like if you need iron, or if you're short of iron, then you should be eating dandelion leaves because they have lots of dandelions. Lots of iron. Then like magnesium, potassium, or calcium, and they are also high in vitamin A, C, or K, E, little bit of B as well. Okay, so I have it mixed or cut, just chopped dandelion leaves. Now, what will I sprinkle it with? I will sprinkle it with something, but before I do so, I would like to make a little sauce for my salad. And what I'm using in this sauce is these spruce tips. I have few spruce strips. I didn't say at the beginning, but it will be dandelion salad with few spruce strips, some spruce tip salt, then some spruce tip oil, or let's say probably 2, 3, 4 spoons of this oil. Use any kind of oil that you have available. Then just regular apple cider vinegar. Okay, that's apple cider vinegar. Salt. Maybe some water would be handy there. I don't have water ready, but I just found it, so some water. You see the amount of water, quite enough, so it will be liquidy, more liquidy sauce. Okay. So bear with me, I'll be blending a little bit. Okay, that's it. So I have something like spruce tip sauce. Oh, that fragrance. It's very nice spruce tip fragrance. It's fragrance of the forest. It's like forest fragrance. So I will pour over my salad. So that means I don't need any apple cider vinegar or any lemon in it, any sauce, any oil, because it's all in it already. And I will just mix it, so I have already sauce in it. So it's nice and juicy. It's nice and juicy. And let me finish it with strange garnish, which is melon. Just regular melon. I got some melon today, and I was thinking I might use orange. Instead of melon. I like combination. Would you like to have some melon, Linda? Combination of dandelion leaves and orange. That's a very nice combination because it's very bitter and orangey or lemony, but I'm using melon. That's a good combination as well. It's quite interesting. So dandelion leaves and melon, and I have few pomegranate seeds, or hopefully my pronunciation is good. If not, you can correct me. But I learn as I go. So that's pomegranate, and I really like using some seeds, and it's black sesame seeds. If you have white sesame seeds, use them. I like using black sesame seeds in my salad. It's very nice and it's healthy, nutritious and everything. And if you wish, and I do, you can also use wild seeds, and I always have plantain. I always have plantain seeds available. Always, the whole year around, I have plantain seeds. Nice. You can load it with wild seeds. And also stinging nettle seeds. I'm checking on Linda because she's trying to crawl the table here. Stinging nettle seeds. So it's dandelion leaf salad with melon, wild seeds, and black sesame seeds. Some touch of pomegranate, but what's most important is that it's all in spruce tip sauce, so it's very nice touch spruce tips. I still found some spruce tips growing 2 days ago. I still have it here in the kitchen, trying to use it up. And this is it. That's salad. See, it's nice salad, highly nutritious salad, very good antioxidant salad. That may actually help you with your blood pressure, with cholesterol, with blood sugar, and will keep your liver healthy. And it's so easy. Instead of cutting your grass, you can first harvest your dandelion leaves, and you don't have to hurry up to buy rockets or grow rockets. I actually have some rocket here growing, and some little spinach. I could use it. I was actually going to add some spinach and some beetroot leaves, because there is more vitamins in beetroot leaves than in the whole lot, you know, in the root. But I'm just using this dandelion leaves because it's very delicious. And that combination is very interesting, because you're there is some fork, where is fork? Because you're eating dandelion leaves that are bitter with melon, you know. And that forest fragrance. Very nice, Linda. You want to try it? Very nice. So if you hate bitter taste, which is actually good for your liver, this is great chance how to garnish your dandelion leaf salad. You can garnish it with melon, with orange, with any kind of even exotic fruits. I'm not really fan of exotic fruits. I'm more for local, but I love melon. So if there is melon, I always like to have melon because it's a very nice fruit, and it's very good combination with dandelion leaves. Okay, bye. If you like my video, you can share it, subscribe to it if you haven't done so, and see you next week. Stay healthy and cheers.